Hey, thanks for joining me on ScouterStan. I tell you what, it has been a great week. That was my chair, I hope. Oh my gosh. You know what? I got this chair from the Scout office. They were remodeling, they were doing something. And so it's not the best of chairs, it's not the best of condition, so it makes sounds. Kind of embarrassing sometimes. But needless to say, thank you for joining me. These are very casual videos. This week, I wanted to talk a little bit about JTE, Journey to Excellence. All units are I would say required, but I don't believe it's actually mandated. Okay, but if you're going to have a good program, you might as well be recognized for it, right? So JTE is how we do that. So with JTE, there is an assessment that is made during the year through your commissioner. Now, we talked about commissioners last time. Commissioner is there as your advocate. They are there to make sure that you have the tools and the things you need to succeed. A lot of times you do recruiting. I know I do a lot of recruiting. So that's something that commissioners help out in. Um, but that being said, back to JTE, you need to look at your specific what your goals should be for your unit. It is different between Cub Scouts and troops. There's a different JTE outline for that. And even explorers, they also, explorers and venturing, they have a JTE too. So make sure that that should be your kind of your roadmap. And in fact, to plant that ideal into your mind, if you look at the cover of the JTE, it's actually a pathway to a summit. And that's really what this is. This is a way that you can define your unit towards a goal, okay? Whether it be bronze, silver, or gold, okay? So I would hope that everybody's gold. That's one of the big things that we want to make sure, because it's not just that we want the gold to be a winner. And believe me, silver and bronze, you've made the effort, okay? But gold is where you want to go. That's your target. If you end up somewhere else, that's fine, because there's always next year and you can improve. And it's nice to have the experience. But using that as your roadmap towards the goal of getting gold for your unit is important. And if we can do that, if we can just make the effort towards getting the goal, we will succeed because we will have a better unit. You'll have more engagement. Your youth will enjoy the program more. They'll go camping, they'll go canoeing, they'll go hiking, they'll be outdoors more. That's all a part of JTE. They'll do fundraising so that there's not this huge stress. Okay, they will do advancements so that they're getting more out of scouting. JTE, or excuse me, JTE um, units, the ones that are focused towards that roadmap, towards goal, produce a better program, even if they don't get gold. Okay, I want you to get gold, but that's the goal. Okay, it's not the requirement. But if you're just trying to go down that path, you'll succeed. You'll actually win out. And that's the beauty of that particular thing. So definitely look into it. I'm going to put a link below, and that'll have more information about JTE. So thank you so much. And like always, I'll see you on the trail.